Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to increase Cash App's borrow limit. Cash App typically increases the borrowing limit based on various factors, including your account activity, repayment history, and overall usage of the app. There isn't a set frequency for limit increases, as it varies for each user and depends on individual circumstances. However, Cash App may review your account periodically and adjust your borrowing limit accordingly. To potentially increase your borrowing limit, it is essential to maintain a good account standing, demonstrate responsible financial behavior, and engage in regular usage of the app, including timely repayment of previous Cash App loans. The sooner your last Cash App loan payment is processed, the sooner your borrowing limit will be increased. Additionally, you can consider verifying your account, linking a bank account, and maintaining a positive balance to enhance your chances of a limit increase. If you have specific questions about your borrowing limit or seek an increase, you can reach out to Cash App customer support for assistance. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.